Oil is the lifeblood of your engine. It keeps parts moving smoothly, reduces heat, and prevents wear. But here's the scary truth. One small mistake during an oil change can quietly destroy your engine over time. And you might not even know it until it's too late. In this video, we're counting down 12 common oil change fails that can lead to engine disaster, and how you can avoid them. Some of these are so easy to fix, but most car owners still get them wrong. If you think I change my oil regularly, so I'm safe, think again. Even experienced drivers and DIY mechanics make these mistakes. And number one is something I've seen ruin engines in less than a month. Number 12. Using the wrong oil type. Not all motor oils are created equal. Your car's engine is designed for a specific viscosity and formulation. If you use oil that's too thick, it won't flow properly at startup. Too thin, and it won't protect under high heat. Always check your owner's manual for the exact specifications and stick to them. Guessing the type is a fast track to expensive repairs. Number 11. Forgetting to replace the oil filter. Some people think oil filters can last through multiple oil changes. Wrong. The filter traps dirt, metal shavings, and sludge. And once it's full, that debris circulates back into your engine. Always change the filter every single time you change your oil. It's a few extra bucks that can save you thousands. Number 10. Over-tightening the drain plug. Many DIY mechanics think tighter is better. But over-tightening can strip the oil pan threads or even crack it. That means leaks, costly replacements, and in severe cases, total engine failure if the oil drains out unnoticed. Use a torque wrench and tighten only to the manufacturer's recommended specs. Number 9. Under-tightening the drain plug. On the flip side, not tightening enough can cause oil to slowly drip out. Even a small leak can lower oil levels dangerously over time. That slow loss of lubrication is often silent but deadly for engines. Always double-check for proper tightness before driving. Number 8. Neglecting the oil cap. This one is surprisingly common. People drain the oil, fill up with fresh oil, and forget to put the oil cap back on, or leave it loose. Without a sealed cap, oil can splash out, dirt can get in, and your engine bay becomes a mess. Worst of all, contaminants entering through the filler neck can cause internal wear fast. Number 7. Using old or contaminated oil. You might think you're saving money by using leftover oil from the garage shelf. But oil degrades over time, especially once the container is opened. Moisture, dust, and temperature changes all affect its performance. Fresh oil is cheap insurance. Don't gamble with old stock. Number 6. Not warming up the engine first. Changing oil when the engine is completely cold leaves more old oil and sludge behind. Warm oil flows better and carries out more contaminants. Just let your engine idle for 3 to 5 minutes before draining it. But don't make it too hot or you risk burns. Number 5. Forgetting to check the old oil for signs of trouble. That dirty oil you're draining out is a treasure trove of information. Milky oil could mean coolant contamination, glittery oil could mean metal wear, and a burnt smell might signal overheating. If you just dump it without looking, you might miss early warning signs that could save your engine. Number 4. Skipping the oil level check after filling. Even if you pour in the exact amount listed in the manual, you should always run the engine for 30 seconds, shut it off, wait a minute, and check the dipstick. This ensures the oil has circulated and the level is correct. Too little oil equals poor lubrication. Too much can cause foaming and internal damage. Number 3. Using additives without research. Some oil additives claim to improve performance or extend life. But the wrong additive can actually break down your oil's protective properties. Always check if your car's manufacturer allows additives and avoid snake oil products that make bold but unproven claims. Number 2. Ignoring the oil change interval. Even the best synthetic oil has a lifespan. Driving too far between oil changes means sludge buildup, reduced lubrication, and more engine heat. Stick to the manufacturer's interval and adjust for extreme conditions. like frequent short trips, towing, or hot climates. Number 1. Forgetting to add oil. After draining, it sounds ridiculous, but it happens, especially when you get distracted mid-change. Draining the oil, getting pulled away, and then starting the car without refilling can cause catastrophic damage in seconds. Always triple-check before you turn that key. Oil changes are one of the simplest forms of car maintenance, but done wrong, they can be one of the fastest ways to kill your engine. Avoid these 12 mistakes, follow your car's manual, and your engine will thank you with years of smooth, reliable performance. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more car care tips, and share it with a friend who might be making one of these mistakes right now.